Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 70th International Virtual Workshop on the UI GreenMetric, the World University Ranking. So this is the IWGM 2021 conference. This now I have presentation. This is a title. The title is the local protect of the integrated innovation and the sustainable development of the environment in the NCUT of Taiwan. The author Yuan Chen, He-Yau Kang, and Wenjie Luo. The author come from the Taiwan, Taichung, and the NCUT National Tsinghua University. The presentation title, this is from the Taiwan Ministry of Education Project Support Research the contract. For this is a local, this is a study. So this study, the purpose of this project is to assess the local fruit farmer. The fruit, this is Taiwan Central Taiwan, the Taichung. So this is many products. This is lychee. So lychee, this is summer, many. This is fall. How this is a farmer. This is a business, and this is local. This is cultural, and this is now this is increased output value, slow innovative development, build up the distribution network for the agricultural products and increase the farmers. This is the technology of the increases the agricultural output value. NCUT's profession turned applied smarter agricultural technology to the monitoring fruit tree to the prevent pests and diseases, maintain this is a healthy growth and yield of the fruit trees, and select the problem of the lack of the labor in the farmland. The NCUT turned the plastic trade marketing and business models to the guide for the farmer to the promote local create, and this is the entrance the local cultural checklist. This project assists in the implement of the new quality guarantee and value added technology promote high quality agricultural products across the county and implement local tourism marketing and activity. Agriculture products promote activities to the environment support between the industrial and academic. Another, the project this is in NCUT campus. This is a planned. This is 500 scientific program campus. So this is for the 50th annual of the World Earth Day. The hold a tree plan to set either to the implement the concept of sustainable environmental development. So President the Chen, Yuan Chen, and take a teacher and the student plan. This is a tree. For this is now this is environment. The method, the teaching the innovation cultural development and the plan the green the tree the planting. This is addition. This is now the green green years and the campus. This is now the very protected environment. Okay. This is a uses UAB. Oh, the UAB, this is a spring this pen this liquid for implementation. This is now the protect and anti diesel. So this is a network platform contract the local activity uh local this is algorithm the product marketing. This is uses quality and price create technology of feeding prevention and this military innovation to drive through the this product. The drive uses a leach the leads. The C. The results is at the receive. This is a figure one. The teaching the innovation. This is a cultural development. Uh, Professor this Chong Yo Zhou. This take the student. This is into the farmer and set up this as international. This is the IoT. This is a platform. So interaction. This is now the online. This is a business. Figure two, the green tree, the planting, the in NCUT, the this campus, the addiction. So this is increases. This is environment, green, green. This is a tree, and take this is many um environment. This is down. This is the down down CO2, and this is addition. This is green land. Figure three. This integrated technology, the agriculture, the use UAB, the spring. The spring. This is now. This is pretension. This is leach. The many. This is can these can this plant. Okay. Uh, so UAV this technology, this high tech. Figure four, this is a network platform contract. This is a help this farmer for local checklist. This actual products marketing. This is business. The final is figure five. The feeding, the prevention, and the military innovative drive through this product. This is a drive. This is a for picture. This is a reader. This is a 荔枝. So 荔枝 this is many. You can make this is another this is high quality and high business and high farmer. This is another this value. So this is tribe. The tribe simulated this is next, and you can use the soft drink and this is another bubble. This is a dream. All the this is tea. All of this is a baker. All of this is a cake. So this driver, this food, this many, this high quality and marketing. So this is a conclusion. So this is the project. This is for local the plastic. This is in integrated innovation. For this is now the can the suitable development of environment. The helper, this is a local the farmer for lychee. The lychee this uses uh, this is a project for NCUT. This is a project have a successful carry. This is out. This is USR project. Okay, the project USR plan. This is tech many local the farmer can increase many. This is uh, business. And this is take this as a tourism, and this is a local. This is actual. This is far more. This is products products. So this is increase many. This is how this is the marketing. So this is a presentation title. This is for NCUT College of Management. This is a USR plan. So thank you. This is Taiwan Ministry of Education support. This is research contract. This is for College of the Management at the USR. Oh, so this is and teacher and the student together. This is the into this is a project, a USR project. So this integrated actual this technology uses UAV dry spring spread, which can this timely and efficiently solution the problem of the lack of this manpower, and also the property the plan and control this insect pests dried from the lychee fruit. Then illustrate marketing and business model guideline, promote high quality agriculture products to the whole country, drive the local uh, culture. And this tourism marketing and promote this marketing checklist agricultural product located closer through. Related, this is now. The this is result this can take this local and this farmer and this lychee and this the local fruit can output this down. So this is a project USR project. Take this as teacher uh, and the teacher and the student. This is promote. This is now local. This is hot and help. This is now can. This is low upper this is the promotion. This is technology. The final thank you. This is project. The team. The team. This is the team. Professor. This is He-Yau Kang. President. This is Wen Yuan Chen and the Vice President Lu. And another this is we like another this is would you like thank you this is Professor Chong Yu Zhou, Professor Mei Zhen Deng, Professor Mei Lin Huang, Professor Zhiren Xu, Professor Jin Xin Wang, Professor Guo Guo Liang Ong, Professor Gui Lin Chen, Professor Xiang Xiang Chen, Professor Qin Xian Xu, for access and this promotion result, as well as the support of the assessment, Mrs. Xin Yilin and Mrs. Wen Ping Chen, and this support 503 the plan the company. The company is a Green Hope Spring the Ltd Corporation in Taichung City, Taiwan. So this is Qingyi in Taiwan Central. This is Central City. So this is near the Taichung City, Nantou County, and the Zhanghua County. So product many the lychee. So this is the lychee very high performance and high beta C and beta B2 group, and this how this the final this is the business economical the quality. So this is and can thank you this Taiwan the Ministry of Education for this is College of Management this USR project. So this is a project can proceed smooth as schedule. Thank you everybody for this is IWGM 2021 conference presentation. So thank you everybody. Thank you.